So today we are going to see the 2D common parameters, so work offset and other thing. Okay. So we'll see. We are going one by one. And the next option is R filter tolerance. This is a very important topic, and this is too early to see this particular option now at the beginning only. So it is a deepest subject. This we are going to see it in the a separate class. So we will see in the some other class, not here. Okay. It depends. I advise you not necessary to unnecessarily modify the tolerance and other thing. If you want to, if you change anything here, it will affect your surface finish and also number of lines and your programming time and other thing. So this has to be seen separately and better with better understanding. Okay. So we will not see it now. We'll see it in the some other class. Next is the plane. So work coordinates system WCS top, two plane top and construction plane also top. All should be top up to the 3 axis when you are working with the CMC, VMC. Suppose if it is HMC means all should be in the front. Then it will change. Uh, Suppose if you are doing 4th axis multi-surface machining, that time this page is very much useful for you. So WCS should be the single plane. When you change the tool plane and the construction plane, so automatically that job will rotate and you can machine. So in that situation, you have multi-axis license. Then only you can use this application. So if you have a multi-axis machine, then only you can use this particular option. There is a work offset is one more option is there. This may be useful. You can you can use the G54, 55, 56. Different work offset you can use this particular application. So we just go on help center and try to just learn the fundamental. Now you can see it here. Mm, By putting 0, you will get G54. 1, if you put, you will get 55. Like this, if you change the value, you will get the different work offset. So, for a different controller, it may be a different. For the Phonic, it works in this way. So, so now we will keep it at the manual only. Next is the coolant. You can switch on coolant and switch off the coolant. You can do. So what is there in your machine, whether through coolant is on or and the coolant full on, anyone you can switch on. Other it will allow anyone you can allow you to switch on. So it will give output of M08. So next is the CAN text. Additionally, if you want to add any optional stop or that you can switch on here by adding. Okay. Suppose if you want to add M5 in between, you can just click and add before after the context. Like this, you can select and add before. So I have put it there. So this option is top. Okay, M01 it is. So like this, if you want additional stops, you can add it. The next is the miscellaneous value. The default is okay. You no need to change here anything. So in case if there is a customization is needed in your post password, they will use this miscellaneous function and real functions. So otherwise, you can use a default value. Okay. So we have a new. It is always on. Means it's not visible. It's not necessary to switch on here. Axis control and rotary axis. This will comes under the fourth axis application. So rotary axis positioning and C axis machining all is possible here. So now we have just gone through all the things available here, common parameters. Okay, I'll I'll make a new thing. So we'll see little detail about the work offset now. So this work offset generally mostly used in the single table. You want to machine four different jobs with a different work offset. This is possible in Mastercam. So you in single table you can machine all different four different variety of jobs. Mostly this electrode machining situation. Jobs are very small, but all are different. In single setup, if you want to machine all four jobs together, so in that situation we can use the work offset option. So now we'll start with the single example. We'll select the machine. I took the default machine. I will take contour toolpath, chain. I selected OK and add the tool. So 10 diode tool I have taken. In parameters, compensation rate, depth of cut if you here absolute uh, minus 10 mm. In the plane, which all are top, so I just selected manual 0. Okay, I selected manual and 0. The position is a 0. So there are three options are there that we'll see. Now manual and 0 I put. So it will come 54 here. Uh, you can select also, update the plane in all operation, create the copy plane and update this operation, update this just to this option. Like this you can also pick up, but we just want to G54. Just I picked one plane. Okay. So next operation will go to path contour. Next chain I selected. Same tool. Depth of cut is okay. Depth minus 10. Here in the plane, so here one. I'll change manual one. This position is second one, third one I have selected for next operation. I'll just check my compensation tool, right? So next tool path, select this. Okay. So minus 10. Now this I will make it 2. We'll select the next operation. So we have made a 3 toolpath. Now we'll generate NC file. So first operation G54. Now we can search it. Input G5. So G55, 56. Where is 55? I think some other that the second one is not activated. I think so. 54 and 56 only. Yeah, I think definitely we might have done some wrong here. We'll check it. Oh, this should be a 0. So I'll make it 0. So we should not change the WCS. Um, we should not touch the WCS. We should pick the only tool plane and construction plane you can shift. Mm. Tool plane is 0, 0. Mm. And next tool plane is that only in the Y it is shifted now. So next is shift. Okay. So, but we should not touch anything in the WCS. Now we can generate and see. So find it. Find next 54, 55 and 56. So like this we can define the, so in the, it means that in the single table 4 different jobs you can do it. So first job is 54, second job is 55, third job is 56 and next fourth job is 57. Like that machining you can do. So mostly this electrode machining people are using this work coordinate system very efficiently. Okay, you can say, or you can change the work options. Okay, so what is left out is the a tolerance is left out. This we'll see separately, not here. During starting of the 3D, we will see this how to utilize this tolerance. Okay. So now we have seen the all common parameter for 2D. Okay. Thank you.